Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Ubuntu tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the health status of your hard drive in Ubuntu 24.04. No terminal commands, no extra downloads, everything is built right into Ubuntu. Let's jump right in. First, let's open the app. Click on the activities in the top left corner, or app menu at the bottom, and search for disks. You should see an icon that looks like a hard drive. Go ahead and open it. When the disks utility opens, you'll see a list of all the storage devices connected to your computer on the left side. Click the hard drive or SSD that you want to check. Now for the important part, checking the health status. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose SMART Data and Self-Tests. This window shows detailed information about your drive, including overall disk health, temperature, power, on hours, bad sectors, reallocated sectors, and more technical smart attributes. At the top of the Smart window, Ubuntu gives you an easy-to-understand summary. You'll see something like disk is okay, disk is failing, or precautions. Here's what they mean. Green circle, okay. Your drive is healthy, caution, something might be wrong, keep an eye on it. Failing, back up your data immediately. If you want a deeper check, you can also run a self-test. Click the button at the bottom and choose one of the options. Short self-test takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Extended self-test can take 20 minutes or more, depending on your drive size. This is helpful if Ubuntu reports strange behavior or you suspect your drive is starting to fail. And that's it. That's how you check the health status of your hard drive or SSD in Ubuntu 24.04 using the built-in disks utility. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.